Hello guys, welcome to the Future Internet Cafe. My name is Catherine, and in today's video we are going to look at how you can add dependents to your SHIF. So go to your browser, search for Afya Yangu, or you can just write afyayangu.go.ke on your address bar. Okay, so once the Afya Yangu website opens, click on login or sign in. On the sign-in page, choose your ID type, then enter your ID number. Also enter the 4-digit PIN. This is the PIN that you chose when you are registering for SHIF. In case you have forgotten the PIN, just click on reset PIN, okay? Once you're done, click on login. A code will be sent to your email address as well as your phone number, an OTP, one-time password. Enter it in the space provided, then click on proceed. So Afya Yangu portal will open. Click on my profile in order to add your dependents. Once you click on my profile, click on dependents, then click on add dependents. So those are the available dependents that you can add to your SHIF. I'm going to start with a spouse, so choose spouse. Once you choose your dependent, click on proceed. Okay, so please note that in order to add a spouse, they are required to have also been registered with SHA, or rather SHIF. So if your spouse is not registered with the SHIF, then you cannot add them as a dependent. It will fail. So first, make sure your spouse is registered with SHIF. Once you have made sure of that, choose the identification type, enter the identification number, enter their phone number, and a one-time password will be sent to their phone. So click on send for them to receive the OTP. Enter the OTP and click on save. After that, your spouse will have successfully been added as your dependent. You are going to receive a notification from SHIF, of course, on the portal saying that dependent has been successfully added, and you can also see them there. Also, to add another dependent, click on add dependent. You can also view the details of the dependent you have added in case you want to edit or update any other details. So the next dependent I'm going to show you how to add is a child. So choose child, then click on proceed. For a child, you are required to choose their age group. Are they over 18 or under 18? Okay, so if your child is above 18 years, they will also need to have been registered with SHIF for you to add them as a dependent. So enter their ID number, then enter their first name and click on verify. So for children below the age of 18, you are required to provide their birth certificate and also upload a passport photo. But if your child is below 6 months, you're only required to upload a notification. So enter the details that have been asked and then upload your child's birth certificate and also passport photo. When you upload any document, you can click on the squares to zoom in and zoom out to make sure that the document has been well captured. To upload any file, click to select file, choose the other details as they apply to your child, then click on save. In case your child has any type of disability, you are supposed to choose the disability that they have, and you're also required to upload a certificate of registration from the National Council for Persons with Disabilities. Once you're done with that, click on save. And your child will successfully be added to SHIF as a dependent. You're also going to receive a notification saying that the dependent has been successfully added. You can also click on view to view the details you have added, edit or update any other details. Once you view, this is what you're going to see. You can edit the details or update details. So congratulations, you have successfully added dependents to your SHIF. My name has been Catherine. Until next time, bye-bye.